In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seller Hub on eBay. Whether you're a new seller just starting out on eBay, or you're looking for ways to streamline your operations, this is the place to be. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively use the Seller Hub to manage your online business. First off, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Head over to the eBay website and just enter your credentials on the login page. If you are a frequent seller, it's likely that logging in has become second nature to you. But it's always a crucial first step to accessing your dashboard and sales information. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay and select Selling from the drop-down menu. This is where your journey into the Seller Hub really begins. The Selling tab is your gateway to all of the resourceful tools that eBay offers for selling your products efficiently. Now you should see an option to open the Seller Hub. Go ahead and click on it. The Seller Hub is like your command center, and here you'll find various tools and insights all organized to support your selling activities. This platform allows you to track inventory, manage orders, and access detailed analytics, which is invaluable for growing your business. As we move deeper into using this hub, start by reviewing your sales, listings, and performance data. This section offers a comprehensive overview of how your business is performing. You'll be able to track total sales, payment status, and analyze which items are performing well. Understanding these metrics is crucial for making informed decisions about where to focus your efforts and inventory. Sales insights allow you to monitor trends and help identify best-selling items and potential areas for growth. Listings help you track all active postings, ensuring that your items are optimized with the necessary details for attracting buyers. Meanwhile, the Performance tab gives you detailed comparisons with industry metrics, helping you understand your ranking within eBay's broader ecosystem. Overall, consistently reviewing these analytics can provide you with actionable insights. It enhances your understanding of customer behaviors and market trends, enabling you to adapt and refine your business strategies effectively. Remember that the Seller Hub is not just a utility. It's a strategic tool that, when used to its full potential, can significantly boost your selling success on eBay. That's a wrap for today's lesson on using the Seller Hub. Thank you for tuning in. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos in our series for more tips on enhancing your eBay selling experience. Until next